Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun winter video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon snowball. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our snowball, we're going to make the actual shape of here. Now we're going to go with like a circular shape, but we want it to be a little bit bumpy as well. So I'm going to begin right here, and we just want to draw kind of like a bumpy circle shape. So we're just going to start with the top like this. Then we're going to start down here, we're going to make that same kind of bumpy shape, and we're going to bring it up. So you can see we have like a circle, but it's not a perfect circle. We've definitely got some bumps in here, and that's what helps make it look like a snowball. Now I want to put a funny face in here. So I'm going to start right here, and we want to make a nice circle shape for an eye. So we'll start by drawing a circle shape for one eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and we'll draw another circle shape over here for the other eye. Or it can kind of be a little bit oval shape as well. Now right inside of here, I'm going to make another small circle. And I'll do the same thing over here, another small circle shape. Then I'll add a little curve at the top of each one. Next, I'm just going to color in this part right underneath that little circle shape for the pupil. And now I want to give our little snowball a mouth. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come over. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come over like this. Right here, we're going to make lines going to go up and then down for the tongue. And right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here for the mouth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over. And we're going to put a little curved line right here for some detail. And I'm actually going to connect this part. Next, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line at the top above each eye for some eyebrows. And then I'm just going to make them a little bit bigger and just color them in. Now, right around the snowball, I'm going to add a few kind of broken, curved lines for a little bit of detail around here. Now back here, I'm going to make a few small circle shapes. And then we're going to draw a couple little curved lines on here just to make it look like the snowball's been thrown. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon snowball. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.